Hello again, everyone. I'm here with a quick unboxing from Speckled Fawns. So, Speckled Fawns. I have been waiting for this particular order for quite some time. They always take a little while to make their products because they make them, for the most part, unless they're labeled as ready to ship. They make all their projects to order. You order them, they make them, basically. And that takes a little while because they're handmade and all of that. But this item apparently was already completed and it got lost in their studio. So, and that is totally understandable given the way they've been operating during this whole coronavirus time. So they've been working in different locations, and I do not fault them at all, and I just say thank you to them for getting it to me eventually. I have been trying to be really patient with all of the companies that I've been ordering from lately, just because I know that everybody's operating under a different scenario, and certainly different than the normal scenario. But anyway, all that is to say, I'm really excited to finally be able to open this up, and let's open it up together and see what it is. So this is a little different than their normal tissue paper here, but again, really don't care about that. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so this is a lipstick red A6 chatelaine. Well, in the chatelaine leather, the chatelaine design. This is so pretty. It's more like I would say a tomato red. They're calling it a lipstick red. That is really nice. Well, that was worth the wait. So I have a few of these, and I do plan to do a little comparison video of all of my Speckled Fawns, but I'm probably going to break it up into type of notebook. And one of the ones I was going to break it up into is this chatelaine style. So it has one string. Well, you could use this as two string if you put something more rigid on this middle one. But it essentially has one string inside. It has a little folio pocket and then another folio style pocket. This is a secretarial pocket is what I meant to say. On that side, there's no pocket on this side, but then there is this zipper pocket here that you can put things in. And then in the front, there is this front pocket. Ooh, that's a really soft leather. That's really, really nice, actually. And then there is also this little closure like that. And the closure is really great for making it kind of a tight fit to close. So I was thinking I would use this for a sketchbook or something like that. I don't have a specific purpose in mind. I assume that this will patina because I think that this is vegetan leather. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that looks after a little bit of use. But right now it's super pretty and I'm really, really happy with it. And I'm just happy to get it in my hands. So until I get around to doing the Speckled Fawns comparison videos, this is what you've got for now. I am still expecting, I think, at least two, yeah, I think it's two Traveler's Notebooks from them. So again, I'm not expecting them anytime soon. I plan to be patient with them and they can get them to me whenever they can. As of the taping of this video, they have stopped taking new orders for a while, although I think they might be doing some ready to ship here and there, but they're not taking new orders, at least for a little while, so they can get back, so they can catch up on orders, basically. I think that's what it was. And to just take a breath, which they really totally deserve. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.